Hi, Donna from GuardYourselfNow.com. Today we're working with our 7th video on awareness, working with the letter E for emergency situations. We've all learned from Katrina and 9/11 that emergency situations do happen and we need to have a plan. Sit down with your family, have a plan set up, have an emergency safety kit somewhere, whether it be outside of your house, inside of your house, in your car, somewhere. Make sure everybody knows where to go to a safe place. If there's ever the emergency that you need, everyone needs to know that. And what Katrina and 9/11 did teach us was that they do happen, and we're not far from that situation. So plan for what you would do, what your family would do. Make sure you have, if there's a flood or a fire, where everyone needs to go, whether it be a neighbor's house or down the block or somewhere safe for everyone. Until tomorrow, stay safe and secure.